This is fourth video in continuation with previous three video. So we will end with fuzzy operator and fuzzy properties. So our next question answer session is all about Cartesian product of fuzzy set and fuzzy inferencing system. So in this video, I am discussing with you Cartesian product of two fuzzy sets. So the question may be written in this form. Define the Cartesian product of two fuzzy sets with the help of an example. Cartesian product of two crisp set. Let's first discuss about the crisp set and then fuzzy set, okay? Because fuzzy logic is the extension of set theory in mathematics, right? And then in set theory in mathematics, the variables are known as crisp variable, crisp set, and in fuzzy variable, fuzzy set. Okay, so पहले हम देखेंगे कि क्रिस्प लॉजिक में कैसे लिखा जाता है और हम बाद में देखेंगे कि फजी में कैसे लिखा जाता है. So let A and B be two crisp sets in the universe of discourse x and y. The Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A into B. Okay, so Cartesian product multiplication से मिलेगी और उसको कैसे लिखा जाता है A into B. और उसको सेट के फॉर्म में कैसे लिखा जाएगा. A इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू इंटू ब्रैकेट स्मॉल a एंड b आर दी वेरिएबल्स वेयर स्मॉल a बिलोंग्स टू सेट कैपिटल A, स्मॉल b बिलोंग्स टू सेट कैपिटल B. Okay, in general, in Cartesian product A into B, the Cartesian product of A into B is not equal to B into A. इसको हम कैसे प्रूव करेंगे. देखो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ सेट ए हैविंग थ्री वेरिएबल्स स्मॉल ए बी सी and set B having two variables 1 and 2. So the Cartesian product A into B is equal to the combination of all variables. Cartesian product is it include the combination of variables. Means first set A comma B, then A comma 2, similarly B comma 1, B comma 2, and third C comma 1, C comma 2. ये क्या मिला हमें मिली कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट of set A and set B. So this is all. Cartesian product is a member combination first set second set. तो इससे ही हमें पता चलता है ये हमने प्रोडक्ट लिखी A इंटू बी. अगर हम B इंटू ए लिखेंगे, B इंटू ए क्या होगा 1 कॉमा ए, राइट, देन 1 कॉमा बी, देन 1 कॉमा सी, देन 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 2 comma C, right? Then again, okay, this is the end. So here we can see that A into B is not equal to B into A, जो हम प्रूव कर रहे हैं किस में, in crisp set. So let's see Cartesian product of two fuzzy sets. Let A and B be two fuzzy sets in the universe of discourse x and y. The Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by again A multiplied by B, defined by either membership function. अगर fuzzy set आएगा तो membership function आएगा. So membership function is always denoted by mu, right? So the membership function of A, set A, is mu ax and B mu by. So for membership function, the Cartesian product mu A into B xy is equal to minimum mu ax comma mu by, और mu ax एंड, इसको एंड बोलते हैं, एंड mu by. or in simple word, the Cartesian product of membership function is equal to, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, mu a into b and xy is equal to mu ax into mu by, multiplication of membership function. For all small x belongs to capital X and small y belongs to capital Y. Thus, the Cartesian product of A into B is a fuzzy set of order pair into bracket x comma y for all x belongs to X and y belongs to capital Y with grade of membership bracket x comma y is x into y given by the above equation. In a sense, a Cartesian product of two fuzzy set is a fuzzy relation. Fuzzy relation describes the degree of association of the elements. राइट तो अगर आपको एग्जाम में पूछते हैं कि एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फॉजी सेट देन इट इज़ सिंपल, यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दिस थिंग एंड इन दिस पैराग्राफ नथिंग इज लाइक जिसको हम अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर सकते. What you have to written, you have to select two fuzzy set in universal of discrete xy, then take a membership function mu a x mu b y and multiply it, and the Cartesian product is this, mu a into b xy is equal to mu x into mu b y, right? This only you have to written in Cartesian product. For example, x is approximately equal to y. Fuzzy relations offer the capability to capture the uncertainty and vagueness in relations between sets and element of set. Fuzzy relations make the description of a concept possible. Fuzzy relations were introduced to supersede classical crisp relations. It describes the total presence or absence of association of element. The Cartesian product of two fuzzy sets give us the uncertainty and vagueness between fuzzy set and element of a set. Right, these 2-3 sentences you have to written while you are explaining the Cartesian product of two fuzzy set. Okay, fine. Next, fuzzy relation definition. Consider a Cartesian product A into B in normal set theory or crisp value x into bracket x comma y, where x belongs to A, y belongs to B, where A and B are subset of universal sets u1 and u2. Fuzzy relation on x into b is denoted by r. Please remember this for further theory. R is a fuzzy relation. Fuzzy relation on a into b. Right? A into b means Cartesian product of a into b is denoted by r. And Rxy is defined as the set this. Rxy is R is equal to x comma y comma mu xy, where x comma y belongs to the Cartesian product A into B and mu Rxy belongs to 0 and 1. Why? Because see, R is represented by or what is R? R is a Cartesian product set, right? That's why here written as R xy belongs to A into B and mu xy, mu is the membership function, belongs to 0 and 1, right? So this you have to understood. So here mu r xy is a function in two variables called membership function. It gives the degree of membership of the order pair x comma y. In R associating with each pair x comma y in a into b a real number in the interval 0 and 1. The degree of membership indicates the degree to which x is in relation to y. So what over here, what we have to remember, the Cartesian product, it is simple एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, बट उसको कैसे लिखा जाता है फर्जी में, वो आपके इस इक्वेशन के थ्रू याद रखना है. कौन सा इक्वेशन है कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का, ये आप इक्वेशन याद रखोगे चलेगा. ठीक है, मीन्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेंबरशिप फंक्शन. और उसके पहले अगर आपको डिफाइन करना है तो डिफाइन दी कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू क्रिस्प सेट, राइट. और एक एग्जांपल दे देंगे, मीन्स इट इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वेरिएबल्स ऑफ टू सेट्स, राइट. देन कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट इज डिनोटेड बाय E मल्टीप्लाई बाय B. In fuzzy set, the Cartesian product is in terms of membership function is denoted by with this equation, right. And where x belongs to capital X, y belongs to capital Y, right. Then fuzzy relation define कर दीजिए. The fuzzy relation means in Cartesian product A into B, right. And then A into B is denoted by R. ये आपको याद रखना है. A into B is denoted by R और RXY defined as a set, right. तो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट को हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे R से. ओके, तो R इज़ व्हाट, कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फजी सेट. और R को हम कैसे लिखेंगे, R इज इक्वल टू xy mu xy where xy belongs to A into B and mu xy belongs to 0 and 1 because mu is membership function and 0 and 1 is the limits of membership function. जो ये मैं बोली वही आपको यहाँ लिखना है, राइट. तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर डिफाइन करने के लिए यू हैव टू रिमेंबर 2-3 थिंग्स, अदरवाइज इट इज़ द सिंपलेस्ट थियोरी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम पूरा फजी इंटरफेस सिस्टम डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू.